to my channel. It's Alice Walker here from AliceWalker.London. Today I have got a Pia unboxing video for you guys. Before we get into this video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and come be a part of my YouTube family. I welcome all of you guys, and thank you very much for my old subscribers, and to my new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. So we're gonna go straight into the unboxing. The company is called LavieLabs.com. There they are. Obviously I'm not going to show you the other side because it's got my address there. So we are going to open the packaging together. I am so excited to open this packaging and show you what I have in there, all the skincare products. Okay, I'm taking all of them out and I will be putting the bag on the floor. They actually sent me 4 products. It is so exciting. So the first one I'm going to show you. Oh, and look at that. Look at how they packaged it. They took their time to actually wrap it so well for me, and I am so grateful. Thank you so much, Lavie Labs. This is gorgeous. Look at that little ribbon all over it with their name, with their company name all over it. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Oh, look at that one. This one has a white ribbon on there, and it has the company name written on there as well. The 4th product, I don't want to unwrap them, they're just too pretty. So these are all the 4 products that were sent to me. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna open them together. I feel so bad of taking it off. I feel so bad. Right, okay, that is the first one, and is the Lumia multi-dimensional platinum eye serum. Okay, this is how it looks like. It's a bottle and it has a plastic top. It diminishes the appearance of the under eye puffiness, dark circles, and fine lines. And this one is actually 15 ml. The second one, let's just dive straight into opening the second one. Right, so this one is Oulala. If I'm not pronouncing it right, I do apologize, but it's Oulala Face and Neck Booster Serum. There it is. 30 ml. Retinol and vitamin C fusion. Oh wow. It is actually really, really heavy as well. This is how the packaging looks like. I've got a little bit of what it does here. It helps get rid of those aging signs of sunspots and UV damage, as well as the pigmentation, by using some of the finest natural based ingredients. So I'm going to do like a before and after video of how these work on my skin. Okay, so we're going to open the 3rd box. Right, this is the 3rd box. Take the ribbon off and why am I taking this off? It's the Martinica Luxe Age Defying Formula Revitalizing Cream for visually lifted and firmer skin. Ooh, I can't wait to see how fair my skin gets. This one is like 60 ml, and I will take it out to show you how it looks on the inside as well. Okay, so it has like a thank you card inside. This cream is actually a feminine anti-aging cream. There it is. I can't wait to use this product. I'm gonna open it and smell it. Oh, it smells divine. And it's a little bit runny as well on the inside, so I can't really show you. I don't want to do that and it's gonna splash everywhere. The 4th product that they sent me is this one. So again, I'm gonna open this one and show you what's inside. I don't want to take the ribbon off, but I have to. Right, okay. The Velvet Micro-Exfoliating Cream cleanses pores and publishes away dead skin cells. 50 ml. This is how the bottle looks like. Very compact and cute. It is 50 ml. It has some grains in there. It smells quite nice as well. Instead of you dipping your fingers in there, it comes with a scoop, which I think is so cute. This is the end of the unboxing. So thank you very much, Lavie Labs, for sending me these products. I'm going to test this out for up to 2 weeks, and the next video that I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys how it's looking on my skin, and I'll show you a before and after pictures of how it looks. So thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and come be a part of my YouTube family. Bye guys. Bye.